up loose ends. Then on the floor of the House of Commons, a minister said the government was prepared to breach international law. That has been condemned by Theresa May.
And that promise again to tackle difficult work. Getting a negotiated deal.
Matthew Thompson reporting there. Well, let's talk to Steve Pears now, Professor of EU Law at the University of Essex. Very good evening to you. Isn't this actually just a bit of fuss about nothing, in the sense that if we get a trade deal, this is irrelevant anyway?
Held at junction 19 for the M32 because of an accident, and in North Lanarkshire, the M86 motorways at junction 4A, the Hardlands interchange. M86 motorways junction 4A, the Hardlands interchange.
Has government permission to do whatever they like.
The voice again,
They must be stopped.
Hospital, though we have come from a roller coaster day of contradictions on what exactly the state of the president's health was on Saturday. So I would say you take everything at this point with a lot of grains of salt.
The difficulty is, as we've been seeing over the last 24 hours, on the one hand, President Trump in his videos saying, I'm fit, I'm ready to go, I can feel like I can come out the hospital, one of his doctors said. And yet, astonishingly, the cameras seem to catch.
In Georgia, where he's behind Donald Trump by the narrowest of margins. Mr. Biden is very slightly ahead in Arizona and Nevada. With his options narrowing, President Trump is turning to the courts. On social media this morning, after hours of uncharacteristic silence, the president tweeted, "Stop the count." This report is from our correspondent Nick Bryant.